got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
I might got a whole team. You try this thing down here? Up here. I dropped it. Really? 9,200 pounds. So you driving it? I added an extra half a coil spring in the barrel. Both sides where the bumper is. Yeah, right behind when the coil spring goes, there's the bottom out bumpers. Took them off and I cut the coil spring in half. And when the suspension sits down, it sits on the regular spring. That's where it would normally hit that bottom out bumper. There's another coil spring in there. Oh, half a spring. There's enough room for half a spring. So it rides better than one of these that don't have no weight in it. They'll make curves and stuff that don't roll. It ask you. We customize down there. I ain't gonna say how fast we're going. But we were going pretty good. Y'all were right. We was both. I'm serious. You crazy, man. No. I got a truck that'll pull it. But I don't,
It's too loud when you push the turf, it's too loud or not. All of a sudden a car comes by and it's like, you know. The only word I can think of is obnoxious. Now you know.
Nobody can find me. You can yes, block when I'm yes,
Brian, you can.
This thing can play one.
It'll go from 15 to 50.
15?
It'll play 15.
You put all this yourself, then.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I be saying that work you do. I think you putting in that work over there. What's the next show you going to?
We're not alone.
Okay, yeah, I've been seeing that water. I said, man, I might try to make that drive.
Friday make made it still.
That's a long ride right there, though.
I drove it last year.
You drove it?
Drove it scraping the coast. Mississippi, Florida.
In the hot weather down there, you played
I
it.
got AC. You see the vents right there?
Everything still worked on it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you know, don't you?
The little holes are the defrosts.
Yeah.
And the heat still comes out the bottom because it ain't all sealed up and nothing under there.
Oh, yeah. You can still go, can't you?
And all my gauges.
Well, that won't show you.
Temperature, speedometer, tachometer.
It don't show you fuel, though, right?
I stopped. It's time now. It's well fumes. I didn't come down here. I drove around and played all day yesterday and played Sunday day too. So yeah, I'm gonna get some gas.
Yeah. What's that thing there called? I need to get one of them myself.
USB gauge pack.
Okay,
Amazon.
Okay, that's what it
Plug
is.
right into the OBD.
Yeah.
And you can program it to do different functions. Anything the OBD can see or plug a scanner in, it can see it's there.
Do it.
Yes.
There ain't no need to fix it. If it put a regular dash, it'll blue anyway, wouldn't it?
I must know about that shit.
Man, it was good seeing you, man.
You too, man.
Yeah, man, we do it again.
All right, man.
Yes, sir. Still rolling? Yeah, it's still subscribe to this man's YouTube page, alright? You hear me? Alright, so I appreciate it, man. Tell him.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.